Students, today we are going to study letter writing. So what is letter writing? It's very important to understand what is letter writing. A letter is form of written communication between two people. What is letter? A letter is a form of written communication between two people, right? Whenever you want to convey your thoughts in a writing form, that is known as letter writing. All right? So, how many types of letters? There are two types of letter. One is formal letters and the second is informal letters. Formal letters. We write formal letters or applications to officials, the principals, class teachers, etc. Alright, whom do we write formal letters? We write formal letters or applications to officials, to the principals, class teachers. Alright. And what is informal letter? Informal letters we write to our friends and relatives. Alright. So it's very easy. There are two types of letter. First is formal letter and another is informal letter. Formal letter is written to the officials persons always, like the principals, officials, class teachers. And informal letters to written is our friends and relatives. Alright. So yes, I'll show you here a sample of formal letter. First of all, you have to write here address. Alright. Then whom you are sending. Like here I had written to the principal, Army Public School, Faizabad. Alright. And then you have to write down the subject. That is very important thing. You have to mention about which topic you are going to submit your application. Then you have to start like this: respected sir or honorable sir. This is to inform you that I would be unable to attend the class for 2 days as I have to go to Agra to attend the wedding of my cousin. Alright, then you have to write down the body here. Means why are you taking this? So then you have to mention why are you taking leave. Alright, then kindly grant me leave. For how many days, right, you are wanting this leave. Alright, so you have to mention here that kindly grant me leave for 2 days. Alright, then you have to say thank you, thanking you, or thanks. Then you have to write down here yours obediently or yours faithfully. You have to mention here your name. You can write your name, whatever your name. Alright, moving to the next one, informal letter. I'll show you the sample here also. While writing informal letter, first you have to write down the sender's address. Alright, sender's address you have to mention here. Alright, first you have to mention sender's address, then you have to write down the date. Alright, then you have to write down salutation. Salutation means you have to start, you have to greet them like dear. Alright, dear mama, dear papa, loving mama, loving papa, whatever, lovable papa. So whatever you have to give here salutation. Then what you have to do, you have to write down the body of the letter. Alright, body of the letter, refer to letter or other communication, purpose of writing. Why are you writing this letter? You have to write down in this area. Alright, ओके सो इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. आपको यहाँ पे जिस रीज़न के लिए आप इनफॉर्मल लेटर लिख रहे हैं, आपको बुक मंगाना है, पापा से पैसे मंगाने हैं, अपनी फ्रेंड को बर्थडे में इनविटेशन भेजना है, जिस लिए भी आप उनको इनवाइट कर रहे हैं वो आपको यहाँ पर मेंशन करना होगा. For here, what is written here, let's read. I was really excited to learn that you will visit India next week, right? I will show you around Delhi and even take you to ancestral village Hathor in Punjab. Of course, I'll meet you at the airport, but as you have not seen me, I am giving you a short description of myself. Right now, he is describing how he looks like. He is 6 feet tall and rather slim. My hair is cut short and I sport what are called spikes. I have large black eyes and a small flat nose. I wear braces on my teeth. Right now he is giving description how he can recognize. All right. The day I come to receive you at the airport, I'll be wearing blue jeans. Now he's going to be very specific here, na, that he's saying that I will wear a blue jeans and the shirt you had sent me for my birthday. I'll also be carrying a bunch of orchids, your favorite flower, counting the hours to meet you. All right. So here you can see that now here subscription is written, your loving friend. You have to end up the letter like this. That is a kind of informal letter. So you have to write down here your loving friend, and then you have to write down your name. I think it's clear to all of you. So it is your home assignment. What you have to do, you have to write an application to the principal for change of a section. You just want to change your section. That's why you have to write a letter to your principal. So you have to just think and you have to write down an application. Okay, write an application to the class teacher requesting to arrange remedial classes for the student. So these are the examples of formal letter, because one letter you are writing to your principal and another is class teacher. Yes, the third one is you have to write down a letter to your friend for birthday invitation. A letter to your friend. All right, a letter to your friend. Why you have to written this? You have to write this letter to invite him as your birthday is coming. All right, so these are your work assignment and you have to complete it. All right, thank you so much for watching.